Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the foam area over there on your AirPods Max. It's really cool because this device here comes with really nice soft memory foam area from the right and the left side of the device, and we can easy peasy replace this. Okay, how we perform this is we are going to bend it like that here, like you're like to go to store it into the case, and then you can lay down it on your other hand, and you have over here and that area to replace. How we perform this, we are only pull on this entire foam construct. Okay, here we are, memory foam area, L for left, job's done. Now we can get this and bring it to the washing machine, for example. Not this, only the foam component, and take it in a sock or something else. That means you have to seal this, okay? And then you can make a washing machine job 40 degrees Celsius and synthetic style. And after this, you have to dry it out, let it rest until it's dry, and then you can come back with it. Or you replace it with another one, pull out, job's done, and take a new one. There are a lot of colors on the market available. Come back with the new one or the clean one. You will see there is an R for right. And if you look inside or at your speaker area, at your driver area, there's an R too. So you know this R comes here. This belongs together. And on the R side, there is a hole. You see that hole over there? And you see there is sensor area. If you like to clean that, you can clean this area, of course. And that area should be clean as well. So then we can attach a new one or a cleaned one. Get it in position alignment. The magnetic system will dock it in position automatically. Here we go. This is the L version, left. We are performing the same. We look at the hole, we look at the sensor, we look that we can read the L in the right letter direction, and we get it on place. Here we are, have a look, and it is placed in position. Job's done. Now you're back in business, and you can have fun with your AirPods again. AirPod Max. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give them a positive feedback. Now, see you again on my channel. Soon.